My name is Vinay Nandwana. I am representing company Pioneer Manufacturing Corporation, the brand name of Pimco. It was established in 1975. We are into manufacturing granulators, shredders, pulverizers, lump cutters, and recycle extruders for plastic industry. We have been serving this industry for more than 5 decades now, and all the major processors like Sudhakar, Vijayneya, Prince, Supreme, Ashirwad Pipes, they are all our customers, and we look forward for a better show. The experience is good, footfall is good, and people from the neighboring states like from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala also people have visited. The promotion for the show was done very well, and we thank the committee for doing the same. Thank you very much.